Connecting Webflow to Shopify allows you to leverage Webflow's design capabilities alongside Shopify's e-commerce functionalities. Here's a step-by-step guide. Prepare your Shopify store. Ensure your Shopify store is set up with all products, collections, and payment gateways configured. Design your Webflow site. Create and design your website in Webflow, ensuring it aligns with your brand and product offerings. Embed Shopify Buy buttons. In Shopify, navigate to Sales Channels Buy button. Click on Create a Buy button and select the product or collection you want to embed. Customize the Buy button style and generate the embed code. Add Buy buttons to Webflow. In Webflow, go to the page where you want to add the Shopify Buy button. Drag and drop an embed element from the Webflow panel to your desired location. Paste the Shopify Buy button embed code into the Embed Elements code editor. Save and publish your changes. Set up Webflow e-commerce. For a more integrated experience, consider using Webflow's e-commerce features to manage product listings, and use Shopify for checkout. Sync product details and use Webflow CMS to dynamically populate your product pages. Test your setup. Ensure all buy buttons work correctly, directing users to the Shopify checkout process. Test on different devices to ensure a seamless user experience.